As 3D printing fanciers ourselves, we are indeed in your shoes. We know it for sure that you are keeping an eye on your 3D printer around the clock, daring not to leave it alone for a long time. More love, more headache. More often than not, we find ourselves with an uncompleted print due to unexpected power failure or filament fracture or outage. Frustrated as though you can do nothing but to take it off the platform and throw it into trash. Maybe you have been long looking for a printer with a filament watchdog and capable of resurrecting your interrupted printing job.
As designers and engineers like us, we are dedicated to finding the best solutions for all the 3D printing hobbyists, so we started this project. After nearly 1 year research and development, through multiple prototypes and design revolutions, we continuously improve and optimize it, trying to combine more and more creative features and keep on learning until we finally created GiantArm D200, a fully featured and user-oriented 3D printer. We feel ready to launch the GiantArm D200 and put it into production.
GiantArm D200 is really a thoughtful companion. With its cloud printing solution, Wi-Fi connectivity, free cloud gallery of 3D models, and easy print 3D app, you can control GiantArm D200 directly using your smartphone. Now you could entirely say goodbye to a printer sitter. Really convenient and satisfactory.
To solve the issues of printing interruption caused by unexpected power failure, a resurrection system, that is, the break resuming capability, has been added to GiantArm D200. Active or passive interrupt, the break resuming capability enables you to restart the printer and resume the interrupted printing job at the same place as if it never stopped. When power failure takes place, electrical system will trigger the break resuming loop. The energy storage unit will provide enough power for saving the current printing status. Meanwhile, the printing will stop and the building platform will drop down to keep away from the object. In this way, the unfinished print will not be melted or destroyed by the nozzle.
Estimating whether you have enough filament left on the spoon to finish the printing has always been a difficult task. To get you out of the dilemma, a simple practical detector is added to GiantArm D200. It is designed to enable your printer temporarily pause when it tests the unpresence of the filament and saves the uncompleted printing file. The extruder will move away after pause to avoid destroying the printed model under high temperature. Combined with our resurrection system, you can then change the spool and resume the printing job. Here it is. A message was sent to me. I need to check the filament now.
Another exciting feature on this GiantArm D200 3D printer is the 1-to-3 reduction extruder. With first-grade reduction gear wheel, the torque of the newly designed extruder is 2 times higher than conventional extruders, guaranteeing stable and smooth extruding, delivering high printing quality. The modularized design also brings you unbeatable ease to change the hot end, which is in slight connection with the cold end. Now, with a little slide, you can assemble or disassemble the hot end like a breeze.
What else do you expect from GiantArm D200? Check out more surprises on our website. We believe it won't disappoint you.